What if the strongest storm to ever make landfall wasn't an act of nature, but an act of collection? Days before landfall, fishermen in Leyte reported the sea becoming unnaturally still, as if the water itself was holding its breath. What if the birds didn't fly away to escape the wind, but fled because they saw the spirits gathering on the coastline? Survivors say the wind didn't sound like air. It sounded like thousands of human voices screaming in unison. What if it was? Then the ocean pulled back, exposing the skeleton of the seabed. Science calls it a drawback. Folklore calls it the inhaling before the scream. When the water returned, it wasn't a wave. It was a solid wall of black water that moved with intelligence, hunting through the streets. Massive cargo ships were lifted and placed inland like toys. What if they weren't washed ashore, but placed there as tombstones? What if the 6,000 lives lost weren't random victims, but the exact payment required to settle a generational debt with the sea? Local legends speak of the Agta, giant dark spirits seen walking the flooded streets, herding the lost souls towards the deep. Today, the beaches are white and the hotels are rebuilt, but the sand is made of crushed coral and crushed bone. What if the ocean isn't done eating? What if Yolanda was just the first course? We build walls to keep the water out, but you cannot wall out a spirit that owns the land. The water remembers, do you? Follow for the next file.